Hey guys, how's it going? It's Ezra Hansen here. So today I thought I'd do a bit of a test. I've got my first knife that has a completely serrated edge on it. This is a cold steel holdout, and I'm just going to do a bit of a test compared to a normal edge. And I'll be using this buck. Alright, so we'll do a bit of testing. Alright, so the first one is a paper cut test. First knife, I'm going to use the buck. This is just a factory edge. Right, so now we're going to use the serrated holdout. You can see it's nice and sharp. Right, so next thing we're going to cut up a tomato. Right, so I'm using the buck first. Slices through there easy. Alright, we'll see how the holdout goes. Alright, so it's a wee bit rougher, but not too much. Alright, so we're going to cut a bit of cardboard. I'm going to use the buck first. Alright, we'll see how the holdout goes. Right, so I've got a piece of rope here. Alright, we'll see how the buck goes. This isn't really a test of the buck, it's just using it as a comparison. Right, now the serrations. Alright, so I've got a piece of a fire hose here. We'll see how the knives handle that. Alright, first up the buck. Alright, so that's a fairly thick piece of hose. Alright, now the serrations. Alright guys, so that was a bit of comparison from just a normal edge and fully serrated edge. They are a wee bit different in their uses. Like especially on the hose, I noticed that with the serrations you have to saw a bit more, which is to be expected, but I think in everything else they were pretty much exactly the same. I think that serrations are a good option. I'm going to do a lot more testing with this. I'm going to be carrying it a lot because I'm not a big fan of the combo edges, but I think that the yeah, the full serrations, especially the type of serrations that the cold steels have, from what I'm seeing at the moment, I quite like it. So let me know what you think of the video. If you've got a serrated knife, if you use it for EDC, what do you think of it? Alright guys, thanks for watching. Hope you liked the video.